Good morning guys, in front of me is iPad Pro and let me show you how to set up Pride Wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper and mark Add New Wallpaper. Now scroll down and here you will notice Pride Wallpaper. As you can see, they are designed with the colors of the Pride flag to celebrate the LGBTQ community. So let me choose, for example, this one, tap on Add, and then decide if you want to set it as a wallpaper pair, or you can customize your home screen separately, however you prefer. But let me leave it this way. Then mark done, and that's it. As you can see, this Pride wallpaper is covering both home and lock screen of your iPad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.